Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about Python condition. If and else statement in Python. If statement is the most simple decision making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain statement or blocks of statement will be executed or not. I give you one example. I write down one example here. Example first. Suppose I equal to 20. If if I is less than 45, then print I is less than 45, or else print I is greater than 45. Run this program. I is less than 45 because I is 20. I write down another example here. Suppose I equal to 30, and if I is less than 15, I is less than 15, then print I is smaller, I is smaller than 15. And now write down else statement. Print I is greater than 15, or print I am not in if and else block. In this condition, the result will come, two result will come. I is greater than 15 because I is 30. That's why I is greater than 15. Another print sorry, another outcome is come is I am not in if and else block. I think it is clear. Then Python, another example, I give another example here. Python, sorry, Python if, else, elif and else statement. Suppose if we take I is equal to 20, if I double equal to 10, then print I is 10, elif I double equal to 15, print I is 15, again elif I double equal to 20, print I is 20, or at last else statement, print I is nothing. Run this program. I is 20 because the value of I is 20. Python supports the usual logical condition from mathematics. What condition supports in Python? I write down here. Python support. I did some spelling mistake. I think Python support the usual logical condition from mathematics. First is equal. First is equal. Equal means first is sorry. Yes, equal. Second is not equal. Not equal. Not equal is this, and less than. Less than. Next is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Another is greater than. Another is greater than. At last, greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. This logical condition from mathematics supports in Python. I think it is understandable. And at last, now I discuss about nested if. What is nested if? There may be a situation when you want to check for another condition after a condition resolve in resolve if true. In such situation, we use nested if condition. Again, I repeat this thing. This may be a situation. Nested if is maybe a situation when you want to check for another condition after a condition resolve it true. In such situation, we use nested if condition. In a nested if condition, you can have an if, elif, and else construct inside another if, elif, and else construct. I write down a example here. Nested if. Suppose var equal to 100 if var is less than 200, print value is less than 200. If var equal to 150, print value is 150. Else var double equal to 100. Print value is 100. If again elif var double equal to 50. Print value is 50. Elif var is less than 50. Print value is less than 50. At last, write down else statement. Print we did not found any true statement. Print goodbye. Save it and run it. What we take here? Var equal to, we take var equal to 100. The value of var is 100. It definitely it less than 200. Then value is 100. Last is print goodbye is normal thing, but we think very clearly that we take var equal to 100, then it definitely value of var is less than 200. Value is 100. So I think it is clear, nested if clear, but I again repeat this thing. Nested if may be a situation when we want to check for another condition after a condition resolve it true. In such situation, we use if condition. In this situation, we use nested if condition. In a nested if construct, we can have an if and else construct inside another if, elif and else construct. I think it is okay. Now I write down another example here. Suppose z equal x is equal to 3 if x modulo 2 equal to 0. Print x is divisible by 2. Elif x modulo 3 double equal to 0. Print x is divisible by 3. Else print x is neither divisible by 2 or 3. If I run this program, sorry, if I run this program, x is divisible by 3. X is divisible by 3. I think Python condition is clear now. Okay, that's all for today. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Okay, thank you.